Okay, Bowman Sterling box 3. Our second to last box of the night. Pack number 1. Okay, Gooden from the Ravens. Go ahead. Callis Campbell, Cardinals. Another punter jersey card. Awesome. Leckler. Harry Douglas rookie auto. And Elias Swede. He's been all over the place in these boxes. Pack 2. We've got Moore from the Lions, Porter, the Saints, Tony Romo 3-color patch. It's nice, blue, black, white. Tashard Choice auto, and a Jonathan Stewart jumbo.
Yay!
Pack 3. McKelvin, the Bills. Harrison refractor from the Bears. Roethlisberger jersey. John David Booty, who I guess now is going to be shit out of luck with the Vikings, considering they signed Favre today. And Jerome Simpson relic. Long term, I think Booty probably still better than Travaris Jackson and Sage Rosenfels, but well, who knows. Alright, pack number 4. We've gotten a redemption out of every box so far, hopefully not this one. Smith, the Eagles. Kason with the Chargers. Finley, refractor. Terrence Newman, Cowboys. Nice little relic. Pro Bowl. Rucker auto. Not sure what team he's from. I don't remember him from last year. And James Hardy with the Bills. Relic. I apologize for the poor camera work. My beautiful wife normally takes care of this, but she's breaking tonight, so you're stuck with my haberdashy. Alright, Parmeal, the Dolphins. Jackson, the Seahawks, base. Peyton Manning, jersey card, refractor. Alan Patrick, auto for the Ravens. And a Chris Johnson jersey. Relic. And the last pack in this box. Should get our gold here. Okay, Ryan Clady, offensive lineman. Matt Ryan, rookie auto. Very nice. It's Wolfwork, relic. And there's our Deshaun Jackson redemption of the box. Great. And Kevin Smith, jersey. Very good box. Alright, that's it. We've got one more box coming up, 2007 Exquisite, so look out for that.